good, man? What's good? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Busy day for me. Work was work today. Definitely felt like a Monday. Had a long weekend. I went to a Christmas party, family friend Christmas party. That was really fun. Good to see everybody. It's that time of the year where it seems like every weekend we got something busy going on, so. Yep, kicked off the holiday season right. It was pretty fun. Did a little white elephant gift exchange. Got my oil change last week. Car's feeling fresh. I gotta get an oil change on my Toyota 4Runner, my daily. And then once I do that, then I'm all set. All good to go on maintenance, moving into the new year. So, yeah, man, can't complain. I gotta do some Christmas shopping. Gotta finish that. So, my boss wants me to find a new job. Well, wants me to get a promotion, apply to a different department within my company. So I got to do some networking, got to figure out, my plan for that. So, a little stressful when I'm trying to take time off from work and just enjoy the holidays with my fiance and my dog, my family. So, but it's a good blessing. It's a good thing to have those people in your circle and wanting to push you to be your best self. So that's good. But that's a little update on my end. Hope you're doing well out there, man. Hope you're having a good start to your December. Finishing the year strong. I'm going to head to the gym, get a good workout in, hit the sauna, and that's it. You know the deal. I've been thinking about starting a new YouTube channel for fishing. Sometime this spring, I think I'm gonna do that. Obviously the weather's terrible here. Not a big fan of being out in the rain. So, we'll see when the time comes how I'm feeling about that and everything, but I think it could be really fun. So, if you're into fishing, drop a comment. Let me know. Give me some advice on what to look out for, what to shop for as far as fishing poles go, line, bait, stuff like that, lures. I grew up around a lake, so I grew up fishing, but it's been 10, 15 years, so I've pretty much forgot a lot. But I think that could be a really fun hobby to get into. So, like I said, if you're watching this and you're, an active fisherman, let me know what's one thing or two things you'd recommend for me. I live on a river, so it's going to be a lot of river fishing, which is different from lake fishing and stuff like that, so pond fishing. I got bass, largemouth bass, we got trout, salmon. I don't know when all of those are in season, but I know that mostly trout, I'd say, is probably what I'd catch in there, but yeah, that's that. So, life's good, man. Can't complain. I'm living. I got another day to work towards my dreams. Another day to make money and save money and invest money and hopefully get into home ownership in 2026. That's the goal. We'll see if we can send that, but if not, I'm not tripping. Got to do it when the time's right. So, yeah. But yeah, that's it for me. Happy Monday to you, which, you know, by the time I post this, it's probably gonna be, I don't know, Wednesday, maybe Thursday, depending on how many videos I have to upload between now and then. I can't remember. I took Saturday and Sunday off, so, or I took Sunday off at least. So yeah, dude, life's good though. You know, it's Christmas time almost. It's the holiday season. Got a lot to be thankful for, a lot to look forward to, a lot of goals to focus on and work towards. So that seasonal depression, low-key hitting a little bit. Weather, I mean, if you look at this, it's like 4 right now. My clock's off, it says 5, but it's really 4. And it's just gross, dude. It's gross up here in Western Washington. But like I said, you can't let that get to you. You gotta stay strong and keep pushing. So that's where we're at. And you know, you came across this video and you're new here, man, welcome to the channel. Hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment, and you know, I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to sharing my thoughts with you and my life with you, building a community that of like-minded individuals that's interested in cars and working out, living a good life, making money, getting rich. So yeah, if that's what you're into, bro, you're in the right space. Just me, myself, and I, and my M4, hitting the road, talking life, you know. So that's it, man. That's it. That's my thoughts today. Got a long ways to go. Got a long ways to go. And if you don't start now, when are you gonna start? You know. So go get it. I'm gonna go hit this workout in. And that's it, man. Have a great day, great night, great evening. Drive safe out there. Weather's nasty, roads are wet. You know, be careful, man. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.